Hey guys, welcome to Raj Makes Money. How are all my money makers doing today? And what a bloodbath today was in the markets. Just markets got destroyed. The Dow down 600 points, 2%. The NASDAQ down 300 points, 2.5%. Just a bloodbath. It was insane. But of course, I lost money today. But Kenny and the research team, they still made a profit today, even with the market down. So congratulations to Kenny and the team, and hopefully they can keep it going because what a great day for Kenny and the research team to make a profit in because it was rough. But let's get right into it. I am out on the road today. We are at Rocky Gap, Maryland. So take a look here. Unfortunately, down $293,000 today. At one point today, it was a lot better. But then at the end of the day, the market, the stuff that I was in just sold off. So really no bright spots today. I did make some trades. I started moving around some of my expiration stuff that expires on the 14th and started moving it out for next week just to try and pick up a little bit of money, about 10 cents on each contract. It's not going to be a lot of money, but it's better than not making anything for the week on those. And at least this little kitty just keeps getting bigger and bigger for us. GameStop also, at least was down a little bit, not a whole lot today. I wish that one would just sell off. So it's still a battle there. Have to figure out what we want to do. But Jaguar was down again today, 8 cents. IDX down 2 cents. Thank God. IDX was also, that was probably the highlight. Now, interesting, Jaguar and IDX at one point today were even up today. And like I said, CCIB was only down like a nickel at one point, but just at the end of the day, went to hell in a handbag and sold off. After hours, they are down a little bit more. This is also interesting, guys. If you haven't seen Bitcoin, just like in the last hour here, just totally tanked by $2,000. So I don't know what's going on. I mean, this thing was 57,000 down to, less than 24 hours ago. So I don't know if this is, market pullbacks, inflation worries, the hijacking. Dow futures are up a little bit. Nasdaq's flat now. But I mean, this is just a brutal. But this is the big one. Colonial Pipeline restarts after hack, but supply chain won't return to normal. So Biden says he has some news about this tomorrow. I'm interested to see what this news is because if Trump had news, he would just tell us. I don't know why we have to wait 24 hours to hear what Biden did. It's like, and the other thing is this is big news. Analysis they're like went after 3 other companies. These hackers say they're good guys, and they have a phone number you can call and talk to customer service. They ask anywhere between like $2 million and $200 million, but they said they didn't realize the damage they would have done, by this with the whole hurting, because they don't want to hurt people, they just want to hurt businesses, but they also didn't reverse it or help fix it any time. And if an American company paid out money while the FBI and the government's involved, I really worry about our national security. If these hackers can just take over all these companies and send that kind of money, and that's the whole thing is our banking system really that bad, or is cryptocurrency allowing all this? And maybe that's why. Maybe Biden's going to ban cryptocurrency tomorrow. Who knows? Because think about it, guys. If cryptocurrency is allowing companies to hack into American business, well, any business anywhere now, and get paid by using, Bitcoin, and then they can just go sell it or do what they want with it, that could be a big problem for these coins. This whole entire coin market could crash. So this is going to be interesting. It could definitely be very interesting. So everybody says, did you see Bitcoin after Elon's post? I don't even know what he posted. What did he post? Elon message, he's not accepting Bitcoin anymore for purchasing Teslas. Oh, okay. So that was the big one. That's interesting. He's only going to accept Dogecoin. So do we get the big run in Dogecoin then if he's not? But and that's the whole thing is Elon probably sold out all his Bitcoin, made all that money, but this is a problem. How can a person have that much influence and in these markets? And people need to really take note of this because this is dangerous. Letting Elon have that kind of influence in these marketplaces, with people on these cryptocurrencies and stuff. This is going to be a problem. Like I said, definitely going to be a problem. Yeah, let's see. Dogecoin is down. Dogecoin is really not doing that bad. Pull up the chart here. Dogecoin is down from its highs of 50 cents to 45. It looks like it really came down also, then bounced off this like 42, 43. But this is dangerous, you know. And like I said, this is big news because you want to see cryptocurrency have problems. If the FBI or the government says, you know what, now all these criminals are going to use this and there's nothing we can do, this is going to be bad. And this is going to be very, very interesting how Biden handles all this, you know, and what he does. But they've got to figure out something because it's not going to work and it's not going to help them. But these are the moves I made today. Some got filled, some didn't. This one didn't get filled. But my rollouts on these other ones did, anywhere between 15 cents and 10 cents. So we picked up a little money there. Nothing to write home about, but at least we rolled them out early and pick up something. I may even go out 2 weeks. Who knows? I also, on IDX, I rolled my $3.50 ones that expire next week. I rolled those down to $3 ones because, you know what? I would love to be out of this one. If it comes back 50 cents, terrific. We'll take it. We'll get out of it. But if it doesn't come back by 50 cents a contract, no big deal. We will just, you know, at least we picked up an extra $10,000 this week on it, or by next week. So, you know, we've done well hedging it. But like I said, I'd rather get whatever we can out of these because it doesn't look like IDX is on any kind of big tear anytime soon right now. So, but it is what it is. So, but yeah, this is interesting with this whole cryptocurrency. And like I said, I think Musk needs to be very, very careful, or he's going to get himself into some hot water with the government, with, you know, these tweets and people. And, you know, people are going to lose faith because, you know, when you tweet something and everybody makes money, everybody loves you. But when you start tweeting something and people start losing a lot of money, it's going to be a problem. And people are not going to take too kindly into that. So, and I don't know what happened. So the research team was up earlier today, still only, well, so I guess down 400, $400. So that's like a win in today's market. That's like being up. But yeah, I thought they had been up. But like I said, they had a lot of trades today. At one point today, they were up almost $5,000 when I was looking. They were like $102,000. So they had a couple that really did well. So we have to check them out. Pull up from Kenny here, which ones he liked a lot, so you guys can know. See. Kenny and the research team, they had SIVA today was up close to 150% at one point, finished up 45%, writing freebies, and we'll add in the AM. COWI closed the day up 40%, and ENTI closed the day up 67%. A couple others up. So the moral of the story is they have their day. That's why I have so many tickers. So. But yeah, he had BRGO was up over 300% at one point today, finished up 130%. But that was another big one. Yeah, it was, like I said, it gets moving out there and stuff. So you definitely want to check it out when it's moving so fast. And you know, these things move. But I don't know. Like I said, it did show up. Now it's showing down. I'm not sure why. Something may have got adjusted. Who knows? Tomorrow could be up. But at least Kenny and the research team had a decent day in the market. The CCIV now down 20 cents. Who knows why? What's going on here? GameStop was actually up after hours. I have no idea why. Can't see anybody flocking to GameStop. Tesla today got creamed. I mean, the whole market got creamed. I mean, there's no bright spot. Apple is almost back down to, you know, Tesla in the 500s again. Look at Apple is back down to 122. It's almost back to that 118, 119. You know, everybody, I'm just blown away. I mean, like I said, it is just a bloodbath. Facebook was, you know, way down today. Just a bloodbath in the markets, you know, when the stuff drops that fast. So definitely want to keep an eye on that kind of stuff. It can move quickly. But you know what? This will probably be more exciting than this. I'm at Rocky Gap, Maryland. So just a beautiful place here. Kind of like a rustic penthouse suite they gave me. Really nice. But this is what is amazing here. I'm going to show you guys this. A small little balcony out here. But right outside my room, if you guys can see this, look at this, guys. There's a whole lake. Look how beautiful this is. Just a whole lake area out here. They have a golf course over here. Just beautiful. You wouldn't even know you're at a casino. Kind of reminds you of like Tahoe or something. Probably Tahoe would be, well, Blackhawk's very sceneristic, but there's no lake or anything. But yeah, just beautiful out here. All this stuff, the sunset. There you go. This could be my new Christmas card photo. But yeah, be out here and stuff. So I wanted you guys to. This is a lot more exciting probably than talking about the bloodbath in the market today. But and I'll be live again on the slot machines. I think Brian and Denver should be live here pretty quickly as well. But just a beautiful place here. So, and then tomorrow we're off to Atlantic City, New Jersey. So hopefully tomorrow we'll get a nice bounce in the market or something coming back to get things heating up. I don't know why CCIV's down, but the good news is everything's up minor. At least it's not down, more. But I mean, that's a hell of a sell-off. The Dow to drop 600 points. And, I mean, this isn't true. I don't know if it's the oil, inflation. What do you guys think? What do you think is causing all of it? So take some of your guys' comments. Toma says, I see a red today and lost 25% of my portfolio in 7 days. Even my dividend stocks are getting hurt. Best wishes all. Yeah, no, it's been crazy. So Rupan at Raja, once this lockdown done in Canada, I'm taking the family to where you are. That place looks gorgeous, and good luck tonight. Thank you so much. The good news is, you guys know, when I have bad dollars, and I was down on this last night. I had some good jackpots and stuff, but definitely goes up and down. So Jeff Schwartz, I've been doing a nice job of cost averaging. That's terrific. So hopefully you buy lots of CCIV at $15 a share next week. But no, like 15.50, whatever the pipe is, we'll probably touch it the way everything's going. EJ, Penny, I agree with you. He needs to stop making comments at this point. People will no longer be a fan. What did Penny say? Let's see, Elon. The tweets back to Elon Musk. Some people have already lost their life savings with his remark. Wow. So I don't know. I mean, I don't know how. What did he say? So here, let's pull up. All right, hold on a second. Coinbase, go to Bitcoin price. So Bitcoin 52,000. I mean, it's down 8%. So if somebody lost their life, here's the prices. But let me. That's what I want to find out. His Twitter, Elon Musk Twitter. What did he tweet? I mean, I don't know how anybody would have lost their life savings. I definitely hope not. But let's see, Elon Musk. Let's pull it up here. So May 11th, he said, "Do you want Tesla to accept Dogecoin?" I don't know. I guess is this? I don't even know if this is his account. I say, yeah. Oh, this is Elon. Is this Elon Musk? Do you want Tesla? All right. This is him. All right. This is going to not come to great cost and environment. Tesla and Bitcoin. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin. But I thought they already did, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. We're also looking at other cryptocurrencies to use 1% of Bitcoin's energy transaction. Do you want? So I'm not sure what else he said, or but now he's upset at Bitcoin because of the energy it uses or something. I have no clue. Like I said, I haven't read into it. I just saw it tanking. I was like, maybe it's because of the pipeline and criminals, are taking this stuff. So Ren Slot says taxes and a correction before everybody goes on vacation. So EJ says the sell-off is simple. The real economy doesn't even come close to what the market reflects. Yeah, no, like I said, it's been nuts. I don't know what we're gonna do here with this market. I mean, we've got to have some stabilization, and we have nobody who wants to work until I saw 2 states. I think South Dakota and Mississippi are opting out of unemployment benefits early. Thank God, because nobody wants to work, and it's going to be it's going to be bad. If we don't figure out something, we have terrorists. You have also this hasn't really affected us yet here in the U.S. But I can tell you right now too, with Israel and the Palestinians, and like I said, this is not a political show, but with Israel and the Palestinians acting, having some conflicts again, it's getting pretty bad over there. Usually the U.S. is a pretty close ally to Israel, and you have Turkey, sticking their head in the Palestinians, who are pretty tight to Russia. And obviously, we know Biden and the U.S. and Russia now, with Biden and I can't think of his name, do not really see eye to eye. I don't think anyone wants a full out war, and obviously people to die and nuclear bombs and stuff. But if, I don't know what Biden's going to do if Russia, the good news is I don't think China or Asia will be involved in this one. They usually stay out of it. They usually are more interested in North Korea and stuff like that. But this could turn into something. I mean, this is pretty bad. I mean, they're launching, I don't even know. I mean, imagine 110 rockets getting launched at you overnight, and they're showing some buildings being blown up. But this could really escalate in that whole area there and become a lot bigger of a problem, also for the U.S. and stuff here in the future. So we definitely want to make sure everything is okay there, because, like I said, Putin. Yeah, there we go. That could also turn into something big. So lots going on. But end of the day, unfortunately for me, pull my account, Raja makes money. Did not make any money. I made money yesterday. It was a highlight of my day, $19,000 yesterday, but unfortunately down 293 today and 150 on Monday. So not having the best of a week again. But you know what? What goes down must come up at some point. I like my positions. I'm not worried about them. I know what they're doing. Jaguar, I don't know. That was a hot Schwartz pick. Hopefully that thing goes up with the SPAC deal, the Dragon SPAC. But the rest of them, I like. CCIV is going to be solid. June's not that far away. I have plenty of funds to ride it out. Sucks that it's so far below the strike price because I'm not really picking up that much money every week. But at least, if I can still pick up 40, 50 grand, it's a little something. Like I said, it's like a progressive jackpot. It goes in the kitty, and eventually it's going to hit big. So. But hey guys, that's what I got for you. I'm going to be live in just a couple hours here at Rocky Gap on the casino floor. And then tomorrow I'm off to Atlantic City, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And hope you guys can join us there and live play tonight and stuff. But wishing everyone the best of the day tomorrow in the markets. Hopefully we'll get a nice recovery. Hopefully tomorrow GameStop will actually just tank and sell off, and people will realize that it's as bad as all the cryptocurrencies and just a make-believe as far as that it's going to make a bunch of money. And people realize how great CCIP is going to be with cars coming out sometime in the third or fourth quarter of this year. But that's what I got for you guys. And I wish you all the best of luck tomorrow. Take care, and I'll see everybody from the casino later on tonight on the Big Jackpot channel.